students, how are you doing? I hope everyone is doing fine. Students, today's topic is nature of earth. Forests are green lungs of our earth, providing us with fresh air, food, shelter and a home. For countless plants and animals. They cover about 31% of the earth's surface. Given below are clues of different forest regions. Identify them and write your answers. Number 1, located in Australia, is one of the oldest rainforests in the world. It has unique plants and animals not found anywhere else. This is Daintree rainforest. Then you have number 2, located in Malaysia. It is a 130 million years old tropical rainforest with tulang trees, parasitic plants and abundant wildlife, Taman Nigara. Number 3, located in South America, it is the largest tropical forest on earth. It is the richest pool of unique biodiversity spread across 9 countries of South America, Amazon rainforest. Number 4, located in India, it is the largest mangrove forest in the world. It is the home of the famous Royal Bengal tiger. This is Sundarbans. And number 5, located in the African continent, it is the world's second largest tropical forest. It is home to around 10,000 tropical plant species, Congo rainforest. Now, fact bites: forests are home to diverse flora and fauna. Are there any threats they face? How can we protect them? So, there are a lot of flora and fauna which are actually endangered. We can do a lot of things. For example, government has taken several initiatives to protect these kinds of biodiversity by creating national park sanctuaries and all of these things. So, by doing this, we can actually protect the flora and fauna of our biodiversity. With that, students, the chapter is finished. Go through the chapter once again properly and do the exercise questions properly.